this is actually usually a good runner, so just want to make sure it's something associated with the run. Go fastly. So ARDX got a really good, there's a real catalyst to it, which is good. Okay, so see. See if we can. Got people trying to join us. Just give me a second, sorry guys. Let's see who's on, who's not. I believe it should have the same link. So ARDX, I'm looking at Robinhood. Robinhood is, I think Robinhood is taking a fight back. Yeah. Hey, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Fine, thank you. I'm actually looking at Robinhood. Some reason.
Wow.
Yeah. I think it's taking a fight back actually. So I'll be buying this at 34. Ooh. I don't think it will dip lower. Again. Oh, 33.8. So yeah, I'll be buying some of this at 30. Wish I could get it at 33.8. Yeah. Right. What's the live price? 34. Dip a little bit. So can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Let's see day trade. Day trade. I'm not swinging anything, guys. I'm not swinging anything. Please. So I'm trying to get into this at 33.8. Okay. And that's the alert I've set. If it dips, all well and good. Hopefully it dips. But I am actually looking at ARDX as well. I should have gone into this ARDX. So ARDX, they received a letter or a response letter from the FDA. And I think it's a good one to swing, well, to day trade as well. So I just need to find a good price without having to chase. I think 1.8 will be good for this if I can get in at 1.8. I'm not ready to chase any of these two. So Robinhood and ARDX are the two I'm looking at today. Well, right now, I mean, AHPI woke up. Okay, I haven't looked at that, so I should have a look. Come on, Robinhood. That's what I'm looking at. So let's have a look. Oh, this is making higher highs now. And Robinhood won't let me in. Okay. AHPI is a pump and dump, just in case, so you know. RLYB. Yeah, there you go. ARDX would not let us in. Where is it? I'm not going to chase it, so, but this is going to be a really good mover. So I still think it should dip a little bit more to 1.8, and then we should be able to get our fill. So ARDX is the one I'm looking at. BT had a little surge as well, but AHPI hasn't got any news with it, so I don't think you should chase it. Oh God. Robinhood is going to move to 36 if it's all. Let's see. Scroll those. Yeah, this is going to get 35, 35, 36. Well, 37 is my limits for this. It's still been bearish, to be honest. ARDX, oh God, 1.89. If I didn't get my fill at 1.8, I'm not getting in. But this is going to move, do a bit more numbers. Okay, there's a big demand right there. Yeah, I'm looking at Hood of 34 really, but I'm not buying Hood yet, guys. Okay, I'm not buying Hood yet. Like I said, I don't want to chase anyone here. Okay, the market's just opened in the last 24 minutes, and yeah, so let's just see. Robinhood might dip a little bit more before it makes its highs. It has actually dipped this morning, so let's just see what it says. Pins looking cheap. Is it a good buy for swing? I don't think yet we're ready for pin swing. I think it needs to. I think I'm just the only one that don't believe in this stock here, pins. Many people believe in it that long or that much, but not me. I'm not a big believer in pins. But at the same time, is it good for a swing right now? I will say, oh, 16% dip. That's juicy. Unbelievable. Robinhood 35 now. Okay, 34.5. Yeah, Robinhood is making a higher high. Pins, I think you should wait on pins. I'm not sure about trying to catch that dip now with pins. I will wait, and I'm canceling my orders for Robinhood. And likewise, ARDX is remaining. Or actually, I'm canceling my orders for both of them. Just trying to wait and settle in with the markets, okay? So I will wait. Yeah, pins. You need pins to fully confirm before you buy into it. Okay, I don't think you've seen the end of this yet. Hold, you just might get in for 34.5. Yep. If you can't get a fill, 34.5. Right. 34.5 Robinhood, if you can get a fill, it's a trade, guys. Nothing here is financial advice, just if you're listening to me. This is just me setting my trade, okay? So, okay, lower now. I think if you can get in 34, that'll be good. So Robinhood, so 34 now. So if you can get in for 34, that'll be better. Better price than I'm targeting. I still think it will move. So it's just going to go within the range, but then it will move. It will make a move, and then we can decide. Sorry, just give me a second. Someone has talked about Wish. What I think. Oh, TAL. I know, right? TAL. Just give me a second. Let me have a look at that. TAL. Like I said, I've cancelled my order for ARDX just because I want to be able to have a focus on what I'm doing. So I'm not monitoring CAL yet. Pins 59.9. I don't know. I just don't like this company at all. I'm not a big fan. 60 looks like things are backfilling again. So yeah, strictly from a trading point of view. Pins. Let's see, is it rocketing back? Yeah, guys, if you can get in the pins, let me see. I can't. I'm just going to do this actually. I think it's best I use this, indicate this approach. So just be patient for pins. Right, pins, I will still be patient. I don't like what I'm seeing right now. Otherwise, you will be, yeah, you know, FOMO. So pins, I haven't made my call yet on pins. I might not like it, but is it tradable? It's got to be, you know, so it's trading within the zone. I don't want to be the first in, so just be patient with pins, okay? Do not rush your trade. And well, Robinhood, we shall see. So 34.34 is just actually a good call here. I think it's good. Oh God, lots of shutters on this right here. Really and truly, lots and lots of shutters. But we shall be able to, okay. There's a few people calling for 35. This should get to 35 today. Let's just see. Let's see. Oh yeah, team. I no longer set a trade for this just in case anyone sets it. I didn't, I cancelled it for ARDX. So I'm just trying to have a look at pins, sorry, Wish. And I will be looking at TAL at some point. Just give me a second, please. Okay. So, Wish I want to look for. The stock context logic. Okay. So for Wish, Okay, so people are just coming back into Wish right now. And someone's asking if it's a good swing. Right now, I would say just be patient. I wouldn't say yes. I think you should be patient with Wish. Oh God, it's just go shots as written all over it, and it's not busy at all. But overall, it seems a good company to trade. It's actually very cheap at this point. Is it moving right now? It looks like trades are falling in. Okay, trades are falling into Wish. Sorry. Is it the bottom? Absolutely. Can you get it cheaper? Yes, you can. Below 10 is great. The price right now it seems amazing, but you can still get it cheaper. So I will wait for, I'm just going to wait for a little bit more confirmation. Okay, before I get into Wish. All right, Robinhood right here. Just the Friday feeling, it's just a bit boring. Stock at 34. Okay, so someone going to Hood 33.95. Again, like I said, this is a patient trade. Okay, so you can see it's ranging from 34 to 34.4, and then 34.3. So I can't. Okay, so it wants to move, and the volume is coming in thick. I know some people want to short space, but yeah, I think it's possible you can short it as well. But yes, TAL, sorry, TAL. TAL. I'm in time as well, by the way. How much you look at it today? Okay, TAL. This is just building. This is just building. It's quite funny because it seems like a stock that just can't make his mind up. So building, gathering momentum. Nothing much is happening right now with TAL. So I'm just going to say be patient with TAL. Nothing much, nothing more. I mean, it's at what, 6% now? But yeah, so be patient with this, and that's all I will say. But definitely it will move. It will move. Actually, like I said, I don't know when, but I think it will move. So yeah. Just trying to see if I have. Well, just seeing the news now, interest rates has never been this low in 5,000 years. Wow. Okay. Guys, have your wits with you, okay? Can lows get lower? Absolutely. Can high get higher? Of course. So just trade away, guys. I will keep saying trade away. We're not here to keep losing money. We're here to trade sensibly. Robinhood, okay, I'm just trying to see what I have in my portfolio. I think, did I sell some? I think I did. Yeah, I did. So I don't, oh, sorry, I didn't. I still have it here. Just looking at it now. Trying to day trade Robinhood. ARDX, I wanted it at 1.8. And then this might just be the pullback I wanted. Yeah, but I'm not so keen about this one for now. Let's take it one at a time, one at a time. Robinhood. I know people are thinking about vengeance, but it doesn't work that way. ERYP, I think I saw this one. This is just a big pump and dump, okay? So TAL, nothing yet, just, again, you just need to buy some patience. ERYP. It's a big pump. It hasn't come with news. I saw this. I can't see anything in ERYP for now, just in case. if you guys are wondering who's behind the scene. Okay, so I'm not sure I want to jump into this one. It's not really for me. Okay. Right, the market seems to be very sideways again with Robinhood double trading. Let me look at another one. Teams, okay, TAOP. Well, CPRI, that has got a lot with it. CPRI. Is everyone just packing all the money here? It would be lovely to get a mover which is not a pharmaceutical for a second at least. Okay, Robinhood, nothing. Pins are still, as you can see, don't be the first person to get into pins, like I said. That's going down. CPRI, this is not showing promises at all. I can't see that, so just be patient. I still think Robinhood will do well compared to what people are saying. Robinhood will do well. It's one of its own, so it's one of the kind, it's one of the companies to do what it's doing right now. In fact, it's actually the first to democratize, if you want to look at the story angle, to democratize investing. So I think Robinhood will do well ultimately, but let's just see from trading angle. And again, I'm here strictly to trade these guys. I'm not here to, to stay long or anything. Just have a little bit of fun and go home. We might lose if I had any. Okay, EOIP. Sorry, didn't get much sleep. This is dumping hard. Just give me a second. Someone wants me to have a look at Fastly. Fastly is one that we are. It seems like this from a point of attraction. While EOIP is dumping hard, Robinhood is so strong to just suppress right there. So I think you got to be careful if you're thinking about shorting this. But any stock can be shorted, really. Any stock you want to short it. RYLB. Someone's asking me if it's going to come up. Don't tell me you're in RYLB already. Tia, are you in?
No, I'm not.
CPRI. CPRI is just moved beyond. So let's have a look at this. CPRI. Let's have a look. Just give me a second. We need to look at APT as well, though. Just give me a second. Sorry, guys. Quite a few things. CPRI. I like CPRI. I just need to make sure it's got news accompanying. Yeah, guys, CPRI is the one I will be going for, my second trade. CPRI, I'll be getting in now, actually, 58. Oh, okay, give me a little bit of solace. Let's just have a look. They made a lows there. Some patience is required, guys, please. Robinhood, just cross that 34 and you shall be fine. Robinhood. Right, consistently hold it there. Oh, struggling. Right, it just needs to be able to hold it. I haven't got CPRI yet.
I'm not seeing any catalyst for this guy.
For who? CPRI.
CPRI, yeah.
Oh, there's a lot of news. There's a lot of news for the, with them. So CPRI, what did they say? So they beat the earnings and revenues today. Also, just give me a second.
Sorry, BK, are we still considering ARDX? Or we're just leaving it?
Not yet. Oh, I've been saying we should
It's
leave
below
that out for now.
1.3. Okay, fine.
Yeah, I'm saying we should leave that out for now, please. Yeah, don't worry about that for now. So CPRI, the beat earnings, annual forecast on luxury rebound. Oh, that's Michael Kors. Okay, besides parent Capri raises annual dividend forecast. So yeah, it's all about earnings generally. So that's why the market is actually just giving them some money, I guess. RLYB, you mentioned that, didn't you? CI usually gives us some.
Yeah, but I don't think I like
juice.
it anymore. I don't think I like it anymore.
Why not?
I just like dragged it further, and I think it's relatively new. My Yahoo Finance wasn't opening before, so I think it's just like spiked, and then it's going to take some time to balance out.
Right. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's an IPO, is it? It is actually looking at it. Right. Robinhood is just gradually catwalking, if I can say, to that zone. Let's see. I mean, I'm seeing bullish here. I'm just trying to solve if I can. Yeah, perfectly. Can you hear me?
Yeah, but it keeps going on and off.
Network. Another network issue in UK. Wow. This is wonderful.
Hey, sorry, I'm struggling to hear you. What did you say?
We were saying that your network was going up and down. So like basically
it was, yeah.
hearing well.
RLYB
Fine
is
now.
bullish.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Oh,
and
it's
I'm
moving.
just, yeah, it is actually a bullish one. Amazon dumps, I can see them here. I'm just trying to see what's with them that makes them bullish. RLYB. So from a trading point or standpoint, RLYB is got, oh God, it's got 25 zone to get back to. Would it get there? I don't know. And I'm not saying it's going to get back, it's going to get to 25. It's just from a trading point of view. So at least it needs to first conquer 22. And
It has gotten to 20 already. Yahoo.
that's all I can see. Yeah. So on Yahoo Finance goes 20.
It's frozen on T212, I think. It's not moving, like mine isn't moving.
No. Let's just have a look. Okay, so Robinhood has actually stayed above 34. Now it's confirmed it can stay there. It can maintain 34. Let's see, ERYP. Ooh, the news came out. Okay, so that was an insider before. AHPY is a pump and dump, guys, as a stand. So please stay off AHPY. ERYP news just came out. Okay, so that is, wow. So that was, okay, anyway, who am I to complain? That was yeah, Pins has still got a lot more a lot further down to go. RLYB, how come we can't see anything beyond? I'm just going to check my other side here if I can get anything that's all about it.
It's already 20.6212.
Sure, it is. Okay, I'm just trying to. Is Hood pause on 212? I heard. Did he pause? Is everyone shortening or what's going on? Let me see. I just got a message here that Hood's been paused on 212. How? You couldn't pause it surely, can they?
It's not moving at all.
Robinhood. It says 34.2 here. Okay, background says
Mine is
33.
moving on T212 for Hoodoo.
What did you say? Sorry?
I said mine is moving. Hood on
It's more-
T212.
Yeah, it's moving here, 34.25.
Yeah, 34.18, 34.25, going in between the two.
Yeah. But again, guys, stop loss. Don't forget to set your stop loss. RLYB, I'm not sure. I can't read anything about it. I need to check, sorry. RLYB. this is an IPO, guys, RLYB. So that's a dangerous one to call, except you really know how to track it. And can I see how to chart it? Let me just see, actually. So RLYB, no, I'm not going to be getting an RLYB. YB. 13 is my focus on that one. Okay, Hood here seems we might just have a bit of a problem. Stock at 34. Let's find better opportunities just in case. It's just something I like. The game is the game, like they say. ERYP, Teams, CPR. I said I was going to look at ADP, right? Yeah. Teams is still moving down. ADP. Oh, somebody told me to look into Fastly. It's not a lot happening with ADP. SLY. Oh, yeah. So it wasn't because it was moving, it's just because they want us to look at it. Okay, so for the sake of the market, long term, okay, Fastly.
These have been my area of concentration. Fastly.
Yeah, I think Fastly, you just want to be buying the dip. That's it. It's not a big.
Yeah, I've been buying it at 47 and selling at 56 or 7, and then it goes down again. I've done it like 3 times.
There you go.
So that's why I responded. Yeah, I responded the person that posted it. That person should just wait. It's going to dip to 40 something. And you just
so somebody just give Bishop a book, at least to confess. Someone give him a book. Give him our book. He needs to read that book. There's one good book he needs to read. Okay.
Never stop alone.
Give him the book, please. Give him the book in public.
No,
Never
BK,
stop
you called it.
book.
BK, you've forgotten. He called it, then I bought.
Someone give him the book in the open. He confessed. Give him the book in the open. Do we have the book? All right, I have the book here. I'll give him the book, and then I'll go back to the market.
Please, can you send me the book to my email straight away?
I'm not sending you the book. I'll give you the book in the open, in public, so you can read the book in public. Just give us a second. Market looks a bit tired. I don't know why, but hey. I'm expecting a lot of action.
I was asking if we could look at MRIN.
Oh, you like this stock?
I don't know
You
if
do.
that's moving. Well, it has been giving small. Whether it's just like trade worthy.
Sorry, I was delaying because I was trying to find the book for Bishop Surrey for my stack of books. But anyway, he's got one. MRIN ITP. MRIN. It's been a while since someone got a book, so yeah, I think it's good. Bishop, it was able to break the jinx today. Okay, so read the book to your wife. I think it's good as a newly married man. Right, let's see. MRIN ITP. Oh God, Hood is so slow. It's annoying. Come on. I'm not going to stay in this today overnight. It's just a day trade for me, and I do not care what it does. If you like, go to 100. I'm getting out today. We shall review it tomorrow. Sorry, 1 minute, please.
Which are you referring
to? Hood. don't know if my markets, if my stocks woke up or not, but it looks like they did. I'm not sure what's making it high. Just give me a second, please. Well, just give us a second, please.
Wow, Amazon is sinking.
Yep. So they expect big caps to be sinking as well. We should expect the small caps to get a lift. For some
Basically, all big
reason,
caps down today. It was only team that was surviving.
only teams are surviving, right?
Yeah, all big caps are going down.
That's expected, I guess. We should get a money flow. Fastly, I like this as a swing, to be honest. Oh. MRIN. Right. If Bishop is done reading his book, let's get back to business. MRIN. Bishop shall give us a summary of this book next week. Guys, I like MRIN on a day. Today's been a bit disappointed for me, to be honest. So, guys, if you're in Robinhood, I'll probably say get out if you get in below me. Just give me a second. MRIN, people. MRIN. Guys, be patient. No, go with that, please.
This one is not being patient.
It's not what?
I said MRIN does not want to be patient.
I know, right? I'm just trying to see. Okay, so some. No, there's no stuff that will not come back. I just need to. Right, MRIN. Just don't fall for it. Don't go catch a moving train. I think 8.3 level will be good, or even less, to be honest. Let's see. Three. Point two. Can we get it 8.1? Try and 8.2 would be amazing, but I think this is me just being very greedy.
Mama, way up there. Mama.
I guess we can get 8.1. Yeah, it's already in 8.1.
Did you get in?
No, it drops 8.1 and then lifts again.
It will, yeah, it's flirting with 8.1. I've got my young investor here who wants something. What do you want, Grace?
Mama, way up there.
I'll say she go upstairs. Okay. I'm literally tied to Hood. I'm looking at this. For me, I think 8.2 is fair to be honest, but would it hit? 8.2 is actually a really fair price because I'm looking at the levels it's testing, and
what of Wish?
Which one? Sorry.
Wish.
Oh, Wish. We looked at Wish earlier on. Below 10, please. Below 10. Below
Not
10.
for today, like say
That's correct, yes, below 10. Who is driving this thing down? For God's sake. I think I'm going to get off food. There's a lot of bad, I'm seeing a lot of bad eggs here. So I'm setting my exit for hood. Right, so I set my exit. I will be leaving hood. It's a break-even trade, more or less, to be honest. MRIN 8.2. Okay, let's see. 8.15. They're calling for 8.15. Let's just see if we can get another level. Again, don't rush this. Be patient, be patient. I've lost a lot of money trying to chase trades. And as you can see, what's that? 8.15 still again. 8.15 level. It's coming back, it will come back down. 8.1415. There you go. 8. Ooh.
8.0.
8. So I must have hit them.
Okay, but we
MRIN.
good to buy them.
Yeah. I think so. I believe so. I'm in already, actually. So, just give me a second. Let's just have a look at this. If you're getting an 8, better for you, especially. But oh, good God. It's too small on allocation, but it's not even worth my while, to be fair. So, MRIN, ooh, look at that. Multiple cells. Okay, do we, while looking at MRIN, oh no, MRIN, guys, get out of MRIN. This is not great.
It just turned bearish.
No, it is actually bullish, but get out of it
Oh.
if you can. It's a speculative trade, and I don't want speculation. So perhaps you want to set okay, 8.4. Let's see. I mean, it should move again a little bit. 8.2, 8.3. But yeah, but get out. I wouldn't trade this until I see a clear signal. Okay, so hopefully it should gap fast. I don't know why this is such a huge trade or stock. Well, this thing is going to go to 35. It's going to go to 40 even. Why am I even stressing? So Robinhood will get to 40. Don't know when, but I can see a call at 42. MRIN. Here, get out as soon as you can. That was me. I didn't perform enough due diligence. So what else do I have? Just trying to watch my orders. Okay. So what else do we have? CNCG.
ABC.
You want to read ABC?
Yeah.
The young investor wants me to read out ABCs in the trading session. Can you imagine?
Read a book.
You want to read a book? Don't worry, you read a book. So let's have a look at AACG.
Sorry, the a B.
Okay, AAC. Let's see what's the same.
Yes.
This is actually turning bearish in the very short time zone. Yeah, so let's see. It's still growing. So let's just see. So someone is still losing trade. Or did anything change? So I'm going to look at AACG in a minute. MRIN, nothing has changed, by the way. Nothing has changed. It's still, oopsie, what did I pick on? Okay, sorry. Right, AACG. Oh, goodness, have mercy. Look at yourself, Grace.
We finally get to see Grace.
Look at you, Grace. Oh, good. I've got my young investor here disturbing me. Wants me to read a book. Nothing more important than I should read a book. Okay, so let's have a look at AACG. A, and that's straight away, and that's a B. So looking at AACG, AACG is very quiet, guys. There's nothing there. This is just, oh, order 35 now, like I said. It's amazing. I could say this to 42, right?
It's a B.
That's a C now.
That's B.
Okay, wonderful. Who the 35? That's amazing, guys.
F.
Who's still in who?
F. F.
MKTW. F, okay. So there's nothing in AACG for now. It's just very quiet.
T.
M. I got my young investor here. Just give me a second.
Angry.
She's angry.
Yeah.
Show me your angry face.
Angry face.
Where's your angry face? That's an angry face.
Yeah.
Okay, it's out of hood as well. You got out earlier. Why did you get out of hood earlier?
B.
You said we should get out, so we did.
Oh, did I not say we should just? Oh no. 'Cause I said
Yes,
earlier-
that's what you said. That's what you said.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. 'Cause I remember saying, okay, just wait for this. It's going to get to 42. I don't know why. Okay.
T.
Not now. Just be patient, please. Be patient.
G.
G is for God. God is generous. Sorry, I'm just going to look. Let me quickly have it.
I.
Let me look at MKTW and then we shall.
I.
Where's O?
This is done.
So just give me a second. There's a lot of resistance on hood, but hood is going to get to 40. It's very quiet around here.
This is a big sun.
That's a big sun. Yes.
This big sun.
Yes, that's a big sun. Just give me a second. Sorry, guys. When you have your
M.
little investor.
I am M.
M. Show me P.
It's there.
Is there? Where?
It's there.
Sorry guys, just give me a second. Trying to see. It's quite funny because there's nothing you can compare to hood right now.
Oh.
So hood is a very difficult one to trade. It seems like a gamble.
Oh.
Um, It's just no money. There's no money moving in. But there's a lot of money, which is there's a lot of money which is being parked. Where's O? Where's O?
There.
Good. Where's P?
There.
What's the next one? Apologize about Hood. I think I was giving out contrasting messages eventually, but I think on the longer term, this is going to get to 42. I think it was Q. What's this?
J.
That's R. It's not J.
Oh.
That's R. So MKTW, I just said there's nothing here yet. MKTW.
Can you check works?
WORX, yes, I was seeing that. Oh, MKTW is showing a quick reversal.
I
just need to look at the candles to make sure it's not a confirmed reversal. Grace, you're disturbing.
This is a J.
No, that's T. That's T for T.I. Johnson.
That's T.
Yes.
T.
She's looking at T.I. Johnson, so that's a J. That's T.
This
That's an I. Sorry about this. Trading's a bit slow. Feels like I'm just.
This is J.
That's an M.
It's there.
Okay.
This is
So
us.
yeah. So we have to be patient with these guys. Looking at MKTW, there's nothing. MKTW's got something.
Why?
It's got bullish.
Why?
It's got bullish tendencies. Sorry, let me just turn the microphone.
Why?
Okay, don't worry. Can you hear me, by the way? So MKTW's got some bullish tendencies, but nothing yet. Works. Grace, we're here to make money, please.
No,
We're here to make money. You're disturbing.
no, my car.
Mm-hmm.
We have to buy a
I
car.
haven't bought your car.
Yeah.
I will buy your car. You should let me make money.
I will stay the house of that.
Okay. Works picked up today. I saw that during the. Oh, I'm not sure if we're into this early or not. Right, Grace. So give me a second, guys. Let me see if I can excuse this young investor. Okay, works.
W.
AHPI at 8.
H.
AHPI 8.
I.
It looks like
C.
somebody wants to give. Kamal needs one of our books, our best read. Thank you.
But I just call it now.
Somebody please give
But I just
Kamal
did.
one of the books.
But I just informed the group.
He got
Yeah,
in
but
before telling
we
the
talked
group.
about it earlier, actually. That's the problem.
What did you say?
No, I was telling him that we talked about it earlier.
We did.
Because he said he just hold it now.
I know. I'm teasing. Don't worry about me.
What, 8.6 or something?
I mean Hood, right?
No, him,
Yeah.
like Kamal, he could get to 8.6 on AHPI and come out.
AHPI. Can you hear me, by the way? Can you hear me, right?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Good. AHPI. Oh, 8.4. Okay. I don't know. What price did we see this? It wasn't this high then. I think
Yeah,
it's
it was just about, okay, about like 8.1, 8.2.
I already got to like 9.4 today, but I was busy.
Yeah.
I missed it. I couldn't exit.
Oh no. Yeah, it's a very small cap. Let's just have a look. I think I said it was a pump and dump. Yeah, it is a pump and dump, and that's why I didn't look into it. Yeah. So AHPI is a pump and dump. So for me, it's a it's a hard one to call. I wouldn't lead you into that. I mean, I could take a risk with my money, but what were we looking at? We set one, an entry for one. Which one was it? MRIN. So be careful with AHPI. It's it's a pump and dump. We go into MRIN at what price?
We didn't get in again. We got out.
Yes, I said we should
trying
get that.
to
We should
get
leave
in.
MRIN because
Yeah.
that was another pump as well, pump scheme. So let me just sit tight now. Yeah, that's another pump and dump. I set my exit. I just need to be sure it kicked me out because I've not been very lucky with our. Yeah, I'm not in marine software. I'm not.
Are we
I'm
still
not in
getting into CPI, right?
CPRI. MRIN is a pump and dump. Oh, God have mercy. It's moving. Sometimes we have to be sure. It looks like somebody knows something. They haven't released anything yet, but the volume is crazy. It's 13 million and it's growing. CPRI. So let's just, CPRI is really, really good, but it's not pumping like MRIN. But MRIN, who knows something? Tia, what do you know? What do you know about this?
I don't know. It's just pumped like how many times this month?
It's a pump and dump.
There's
by the way.
something today.
Let's just see. I can't really use MRIN. I'm looking at ERYP. The news came out. This, considering this actually was heavy. I'm going to leave hood open, by the way. I have a good for 40, 42. But again, not today. Just going to watch how it's, yeah, how it's going. It's yo-yoing to 35 and yeah. Let's just deal with this. Choo-choo. Just trying to make a few. Bear with me. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, MRN. So from a trading point of view, we can trade this. Okay, there's a big money flow. I was trying to look at what's called catalyst, but it looks like you might have to. Okay, RLYB. RLYB. Okay. Yeah, we said this is it's an IPO. FHS, right. We only need to look at a few and monitor them. Oh, good. Not again. This has a good reason for a move. If the money flowed out from the Chinese, just thinking, Okay, so let's look at this for a little bit, please. I think we're a bit early here. That's good. It's moved a little bit. That's good again. Now we need to see if we can just let me just look into the RSI. Like your board. Oh, Jesus have mercy. I can't get more indicators. Okay, I've got the volume here, which is good. So low though. So FHS. So I'll be looking at FHS. I'll be looking at CPRI. This is the, remember this was 58 at some point. MRIN. I did say we should get out, but from a trading angle, I just don't want to gamble. I'm not much of a gambler. But there's nothing you can do if it's bullish. Oh, come on, are you still in AHPI? Just in case I might have to check it. Come on. Distracted. Come on, hear us.
Hello, did you call me?
Yeah, I said, are you still in AHPI? Just in case I might have to
No, out.
have a look. Oh, yeah, okay. I was thinking if you're still in,
Thank you.
I might have to have a
Thank
look.
you.
That's all right. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have a focus on Hood now. But God have mercy, if you could get it at 34, why can't we? And another one to look into is AMD. So keep an eye on this. MRIN, AMD. Okay, I've got my little investor just making footsteps towards me. AMD. Sorry, give me a second, please, guys. Sorry. AMD's building an island in the sky. Okay, guys, I want to make an entry into Hood again. Just trying to find a good price. So tight. So here, can you set a 34, please, guys? Would it hit 34 right now? That's a big question. Okay, so yeah. Oh, it's off. Slightly bullish, slightly, very slightly bullish. Overall, it's going to trend up. That's all I can see. But the volume is so quiet. Wow. Okay. So that's all. I think that's the best I can do on Hood right now. 34, really. But the session we're in, people are just placing their orders. Yeah. MRIN also getting tired as well, getting faded out. So 34 for Hood, that's one I could comfortably call. AMD is on a higher high. If you're in, I think you should just hold it. But this is going to make another, another monster move. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend getting in right now, though. FHS, the volume is still very, well, relatively quiet. And the MRIN, yeah, it ran back down to where it came from. So I think that's all my take this morning or this afternoon. Can I see any new thing? No. Team, let's see, MRIN again. One of the biggest movers though, but oh, ERYP. This is getting stronger. But remember, this moved in earlier today. This right here is actually bearish, so I wouldn't jump in yet. Yes, 83%, but right now he's bearish. Okay. It's a Friday. It's about midday now. We're getting close to midday. I think things are getting a bit quiet, so we just have to wait. I'm probably going to visit a few crypto tokens or coins to trade, but right now it's a quiet afternoon. I think I will just be patient and wait. Okay, can't see anything else in the market to do. All right, guys. Besides Robinhood, which I think should set for 34, I would update you as things develop. Nothing more. Okay, people? Yeah. Oh, but look at this as well. I think on a short term, I can tell you that Robinhood is forming a wedge. So what I think you will see is you see that? And I think it should be like that. So let me just hide it all. So this is what I'm seeing from Robinhood, okay? So I think it will move. Contrary to what people say, I might be wrong, but right now, this is what I can see. And it's forming that. I'm not much of a trend follower, but this is Robinhood's trend right now. That's all I can tell you. Again, just strictly what I can see. And I've seen the order flow. and it's it's turning very very oversold right now, and this is very 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 how do I call it, very cheap for for the fundamental offerings. Other than that, guys, everything else is just pretty much quiet. But this is trying to break out as well. Not really. FHS, not really. Works just gone quiet as well. And AMD, equally gone quiet. So yeah, Hood is my best here, guys. And that's where I'm going to leave it. All right, people. Do we have any question before I go? Yeah? Or Unique question? None. All right, guys. I shall see you later.
I'm sorry. Thanks, BK. I was distracted. I'm
Bye,
sorry.
buddy.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Orange. It's here.
Give it to me. No, give it to me. It's mine.
Why?
It's